What's this? Bird seed on someone's property? This can only be the work of lawbreakers.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do now? What are you next? Bad buzz. What you gonna do when they come for you? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? When they come for you? Bad buzz. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad buzz. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad buzz.
Today we're going to be searching for the rare blue jay. Hopefully we find it, catch it.
While we were chasing the blue jay, we got a call from the chief.
Oh man. Hello?
Hey, Chief.
What's up, Chief?
How's it going, man?
Hey man, you probably thought you didn't get a raise.
Yeah. Listen, I brought both of you in here today to discuss something very important. We're doing cuts now. And the reason why we're doing that, we need to upgrade our equipment. And we're not going to raise the taxes, we need to do some cuts. And you guys are first on our list. You're fired. You two, both of you guys. You're my nephews. I love you dearly. But you guys are going to have to find some real jobs now. What?
What are you talking about?
You can't fire us.
Man, you can't fire us.
Fire us.
You fired us.
Spare change.
Spare change.
Spare change.
Anybody?
Spare change.
No. Spare change.
Spare change.
So what are we gonna do, man?
Man, I don't know. We could call people and they could pay us to chase birds for us.
Yeah.
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 Awesome people.
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Phillip Thomson. We're a specialized bird cops. We was wondering if you.
We're here to see if you want any birds to be chased away.
Do not call this line ever again.
Hey, I'm a bird cop. And I'm here to chase your birds away.
Oh, hey, we're highly trained bird cops. We're here to chase your birds away.
I have a couple birds you can chase. I'll pay you big cash.
Oh, really? Where can we meet you? In the middle of the park? Okay.
Yeah.
Wait, that's the guy right there, man.
Oh yeah, that's him.
Yeah, man.
Let's go.
Let's go. Whoa.
Give me your money.
Whoa, man, whoa.
Hey, what's going on here?
Whoa.
So I see this isn't working out, so you guys are back on the team.
What? Yes!